What we are going to do today, Dani?
So today we're doing an inspection on the motor. Basically, the first thing we're going to do is compression check and then spark check, and then we'll go through the motor, check the gear case, and then we'll take it for a sea trial, see how everything runs.
Okay, this is because the owner want an inspection.
Yes.
To buy the boat.
Yep. That's
okay,
it.
all right. And we are going to do the process. The first step is compression.
Yep.
Dani, what is normally good compression for this engine?
I would say close to 180, 200.
180, 200. And what is the minimum accepted for this engine?
You really want 10% between cylinders.
Okay.
But for the most part, you want them all pretty much even.
All right. Okay. All right. The spark plug loose.
Yeah, looks pretty.
Yeah, loose in good condition.
But there's nothing major, no water, no oil.
Yeah. All right. Okay. That's. We are going to check. This is cylinder 1357246A. This is the piston number 8. Okay. Great. Great, both of them. The color is normal. No oil. No humidity. And okay, this is cylinder 4. Once again, it's in good condition. No oil. Okay, and cylinder number 2, that's great. Okay, this side of this head is okay. We are going to check the spark plugs in the same order for the bank number 1. Okay, cylinder number 1. It's a little
wet.
A little wet. It's not bad, but it's a little wet. Okay, we are going to check the second one. Cylinder number 3. Yes. This is normal. This is okay.
This is this. Yes, yes.
All right.
The preparation.
Pretty good condition.
I can't do it.
This is the worst cylinder. It's a little wet, and this is oil. Oil in the bottom. Okay, we are going to check what happened with the compression in that cylinder. Okay, we are going to crank it 2 cylinders at the same time to verify the compression in both cylinders at the same time. Okay, we are going to jump it here between this and this to crank it. I jump it between this and this. Yeah. Cylinder number 5, 170.
Okay, number 5.
Number 7, 180.
Okay.
Give me that one.
Ready?
Okay, go ahead. 190. Cylinder number 1, and cylinder number 3, 170. We are going to check cylinder number 2 and 4.
Clear?
Yeah. Okay. 180 cylinder number 4, and cylinder number 2, 170. This is cylinder number 8.
I'll tell you what you need.
And cylinder number 6. Okay, 6 the black one, 8 the red one. Yeah. 165 number 8 and 180
right,
number.
Release the 165. Let's do it then. And release both of them actually. Okay. 180 both of them. Okay.
4, 6 and 8. Compression is good.
Yep, compression is good. So now we're going to do a spark check.